Hi there, it's Francois here from the Green Homestead. In this video I'm going to show you 3 different types of trellises. Actually it's 4, but it's variations of basically a very simple process. So let's start here, the cucumbers. What we did here is just added a couple of vertical posts into the ground. And then what you can see here is we bended just some round bar into an arch that's suspended by these upright poles. So now, as you can see, the cucumbers is easily accessible. It doesn't lie on the ground, and you don't have to search between the leaves to find the cucumbers, the fruit. Okay, so on to the next one. This is a A-frame sticks one. As you can see, we've got nothing planted here right now. But this is typically what we use for trailing up runner beans. But apologies for walking into the sun. This is just a stick that we stuck into the ground for this runner bean, and the same is applicable here. Not even sure what's planted here, but there's a couple of sticks that's just stuck into the ground so that this plant can use it to grow upwards. Likewise here we have some tomatoes, I'm not exactly sure, but in South Africa, with my South African accent, we call it tomatoes. So it is just simply from a post over to another big post over there that we run some vertical wires and attached it to upright posts with a piece of wire. So now we trail these tomatoes up like this, and I'm going to walk over here to show you another example of a trellis that we built for the tomatoes. As you can see, we run 2 wires horizontally, also from one post over again to another post over there at the end, and we run it horizontally and spaced it with just a small twig, a little piece of branch that we space it out together. So now we train the tomatoes up in between these 2 wires, these 2 horizontal wires. So this is the 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 types of trellises that we use in our garden. There's other types as well, but this is the examples that we do right now. So thank you for watching, and please leave your comments with questions or suggestions or something like that, and please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends if you think it will be interesting to them as well. Thank you for watching.